this section, I will actually teach you how um, how you can master the art of Kali Linux. Means we will learn all the basics and advanced commands of Kali Linux. So in this section, I will purely focus on the command line of Linux. So let me open the notes where I just wrote all the necessary commands for Linux. Yeah, here it is. All right, so don't worry, I'm gonna provide you all these notes, which contain all the necessary commands that you should have. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the machine that we have configured last time. So we're gonna open it. Okay, it's gonna take few seconds and we will be boot into our machine. All right, so we are back. The Linux has been booted, so it's the time to start commands. Yeah, we're gonna play with command line. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is to open any terminal. So far, let's open this one. Seems okay to me, and let me maximize it a bit so you will be able to see it in a good way. uh let's zoom it a bit. Okay, no, I hope you can see it very clearly. Okay, so the first thing is to learn about which user is currently on this machine. Like if you want to know about the current user that that are using this terminal, definitely that are logged in. So you can find the current user with the help of whoami. Whoami will tell you that hey, you are a Kali user. So currently I'm a Kali user, a simple Kali user. That's all. Okay. There is only one user on this machine, which is Kali, and it is showing me that you are a Kali user. As well as we have another user too, which is a root user. I'll tell you later. After this, if you want to learn that where I am currently, in which directory I am, so you can just press ls command. Ls will tell you that hey, currently you are in this directory, in a home directory, in Kali directory, like which contain desktop, downloads, documents, music, pictures, etc. These are the directories that contain current that are inside in the current directory that we are. Now you will be confused that what is the current directory, how I can know about the current directory, where I am exactly. So you can just type pwd. Pwd will let you know that you are in a current directory, which is basically home Kali. So in currently you are in a Kali directory, which is the part of home directory, which is the subdirectory of home directory. This is how it works. Okay, after this, if you want to switch your user from a normal user towards the root user, you can literally do it with the help of sudo su, and it will ask you for the password. You just need to type the password and press enter. It will not show the password on the screen. Why? Because of some masking techniques, security purposes. Okay, you can just type enter, and now you can literally see that I am no a root user. So a Kali user is just a simple user who have some specific permissions, but a root user is a one who have all the privileges, read, write, and executable permissions to all kind of files. There is no restriction for a root user, but there is some certain restriction or a lot of restriction for a normal user. So if I type again who am I, you can clearly see it is telling me that hey, you are a root user. This is how it works. No, the next thing is to clear the screen. You can literally do it by just typing clear. This is how you can clear the screen. And if you want to show some output on the terminal, how you can do it, you can just type echo. Okay, echo, and just use these two colons and type something inside it like hello world. After this, just press enter. It seems like I just put this exclamatory mark, that's why it is giving me some sort of error, so we just cannot use it inside the command. What I'm gonna do, I will clear the screen and I will retype hello, hello world, and that's all. And you can clearly see that the hello world has been printed on my terminal. This is how it works when you want to print something on the terminal. Okay, after this, if I ls it, you can see I'm here. No, I will redirected myself to the desktop. Remember, Kali Linux have a very good feature. You do not need to type the entire name of any directory or any file while execution. You can just type the first few words and then you can press tab. This tab will automatically completed all the things um, um, automatically complete your query. Now if I type d and then press tabbing, you can clearly see I can navigate to all those directories or files. Definitely currently I have only directories, so it is navigating me to all the directories that is starting from d. So this is how you can do it. And if you want to go for two keywords, you can literally go it and you can clearly see that it working fine, and you can just press enter. So with the help of cd desktop, you are now inside in a desktop directory. Yeah, desktop, you are now on the desktop, and the proof is this. You can clearly see currently I am in my desktop. If I type pwd, you can clearly see that I'm now inside in my desktop directory. This is how it works. Now let's start things. Things are going cool. The next thing that I'm gonna teach you is how you can create a folder or a directory. So you can literally create a directory by typing a command mkdir. Hey, make a directory. I'm telling to my Linux, I'm giving the command to make a directory and give it a name of commands. I will create a directory with command's name. Okay, and then when I ls it to list me, you can clearly see that it literally created a directory for me. No, I want to go inside it, so I just need to type cd commands, and you can clearly see that if I type pwd, I am now inside in my commands directory. I will try to execute all the stuff inside this directory as I have created it specially. So the next thing, if I go to my application to confirm that everything is working fine, go to the files, go to the desktop, you can clearly see that it is the command directory, and this log shows that it is created by a root user. That's why it will have only readable permission, not executable permission, or you just cannot copy it or move it to anywhere. As a normal user, remember, as a root user, you can do whatever you want. Okay,
I'm MasaudSec, a cybersecurity professional, ethical hacker, and penetration tester with years of hands-on experience. My passion lies in empowering individuals to excel in the exciting and rapidly evolving world of cybersecurity. Over the years, I have mentored students from around the globe, guiding them toward mastering cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and penetration testing through personalized teaching and practical insights. If you're looking to learn from someone deeply immersed in the field, you're in the right place. My mentorship program is designed to offer personalized guidance tailored to your learning needs, hands-on experience with real-world scenarios and tools, live support to help you navigate challenges effectively. You can explore more about my mentorship program and course offerings at MasaudSec.com. On the website, visit the courses section and click on cybersecurity, ethical hacking, penetration testing in one course to find detailed information about the program.